In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in PDFescape. We'll start right in the browser so there's nothing to install. Open your preferred browser and head over to PDFescape.com. Once the site loads, look for the Login button, usually at the top of the page, and click it. Logging in helps you keep your files organized and makes it easy to come back to your edits later. On the login screen, choose Sign In using Google. If your browser asks for permission or opens a new window, allow it so the sign-in can proceed. When Google shows your available accounts, click the one you want to use. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into that account in your browser, or check that pop-up windows aren't being blocked. After you're signed in, you'll land in your PDFescape account area. Now upload your file. You can drag a PDF directly into the upload area, or click the upload button and select your file from your computer. Give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. When the upload finishes, open your PDF by clicking its name or thumbnail in your document list. This brings you into the PDFescape editor, where all the tools are available along the top and side panels. To get ready to make changes, click Edit. This switches the workspace into editing mode and reveals tools you can use on the document. Next, select the Text tool. You'll see the cursor change to indicate you're about to place text. Move your cursor onto the page and click exactly where you want the text box to appear, then start typing. A text box will form around your text as you go. If you need to fine-tune placement, hover near the edge of the text box until you see a move cursor, then click and drag to reposition it. If you make a typo, just click inside the same box and correct it. You can adjust the way the text looks using the toolbar. Change the font, size, and color to better match the document. If the surrounding content is dense, zoom in first so you can place your text precisely along lines or within form sections. To add more entries on the page, simply click in another spot and type again. Each click creates a new text box. When you're done adding text, review the page at normal zoom to make sure everything aligns and reads clearly. That's all it takes to add text in PDFescape. Log in, upload, open, switch to edit, choose text, click where you want, and start typing.